Sigma notation is a mathematical shorthand for writing long sum in a compact form, right? Okay. It is represented by this symbol, right? This is also called summation. Okay. What is general form? General form of sigma notation. Sigma always starts from, let's suppose, one variable m is equal to 1 to m is equal to n, right? Here m is changing. Okay. You can represent it by any variable m, n, k, anything. M, yes. M is called index of summation. Okay. This is called lower limit. Upper limit. Okay. Lower limit was from where to start. And upper limit is what? Where to stop. Right? Okay. And what is f of m? F of m is the formula. Formula of each term.
Okay, wait. Actually, I have two examples.
Yes, send me.
Two practice questions.
Yes, send me.
Um, I don't know how to send it to you. My dad is on here. Picture. It's a. Can I just say it?
Uh,
It.
you can write here.
Okay.
Uh,
Share my screen.
yes.
These two.
Okay, okay. What is the sum of each of the following, right? Yeah, it's very easy telling you. First, I will come with there. Okay, okay. So, one example is sigma I is equal to 1 to I is equal to 5. Find the value of I. So, I starts from 1, right? So, first you will put 1, then 2, 3, 4, up to 5, right? So, what will be the sum? When you add all these, you will get what? 15. Understood?
Yes.
Second question is K starts from 3 to 10, 2i, 2k. Okay. So from where you will start? From 3, right? So first you will put k is equal to 3,
Yes.
then 4. So this is it starting integer and this is ending integer. Okay. 2 into 10, right? So you can see 2 is common in all terms.
Yeah.
Right. So what will be the answer?
You just add them like that.
Yes. Um, 104. 52, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any better method to do like what if they give you like a big number?
Okay, for big number, see here. Suppose you want, suppose you start from 0 and this is 5. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what will you do? You will do what? First you put 2 I is equal to 0, right? Then 1, right?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. Understood?
Yes.
You can add all these values. You will get a final answer. So sigma notation is just a neat way to write a long sum, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now I will come to your example.
Okay. You take it down if I should.
Yes. Can I delete all this?
Yeah.
Okay. So here is the question. First question is find sigma from n is equal to 1 to 11,
Yeah.
3 plus 2n, right? So your n starts from 3, sorry, 1, right?
Yes.
3 plus 2 into 2, right?
Mm.
3 into 2 plus 3, right? Up to
Yes.
you will do 3 into 2 into 11, right? Here you will stop because the last value of n is 11,
Hello.
right? So you can use one property. What is the property? If uh, sigma an, okay, or you can say sigma afk can always be written as a sigma fk, right?
Yeah.
If any constant is there, only a, right? Only constant is there, then what will you get? N into a. This is very important. What is n? N is the last term. Understood?
Mm.
Yes. So in the above question, you can also write, see, when you open the bracket, you will get n is equal to 1 to 11, 3 plus n is equal to 1 to 11, 2n. So in first part, you will use second formula, right? Only a is there, so you will write 11 into 3, right? Why? Because 3na, okay?
Yeah.
And this is second formula. Second formula is 2 into fk. So 2 is constant. Understood?
Yeah.
So 11 into 3 is 33. 2
Yes.
And what will the formula of this? 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right?
Well, what is the point of these two formulas? Can't you just add them together like we did?
Which formula? This formula.
Both of them.
Yeah, this.
Well, can't we just do it normally, like what you did earlier, like add them all up?
You can use normally, but it will take because you have to learn also the property of summation. So in between you can use properties, some properties, right?
Yeah.
Property, learning property is very important.
Can you repeat these formulas again? I didn't understand.
This formula, okay.
Yeah.
See,
Both of them. Both of them.
yes. Whenever a into f of k is there, if a is constant, you can write outside, just like this.
Wait, what is A and what is F and what is K?
A is a constant. Constant means what? Let's suppose your k starts from 1 to n. So A is constant. Constant means what? Any number. Let's suppose your number is half n. Okay, or
Yeah.
half k. And k starts from 1 to 2, 1 to 10. So A is what? Number, constant. Constant is outside. Only fk is inside. Why? Because only k is changing. K is a variable, right? Like this. Understood? Okay. So in this case, what is A? A is 2. And after this, expand the series. Okay. And second formula is, if only A is there, right? Then you will write n into A. What is n? N is the last term. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's suppose 1 to 10. Then you will write 10 into 2. This is very important.
Okay, so the first formula is the whole thing. So like let's just say everything is there. You
Hmm.
do that, you add the first and last term,
Yes.
and what else, and then you add all the numbers between and multiply by that.
Yes. Whenever plus or minus is there in between two things, you can separate them. Okay. After separating, use these two properties. Noted?
No.
Yeah, note.
Wait, what? What did you do for like the so like for the example in like blue, you did 11 sigma n over one equals 3 plus 2n.
Hmm.
So isn't that just one thing? Can't you
Uh,
just do?
I already told you whenever plus or minus is there in between two things, you can separate them.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
How come what is called like you have to do all the addition, but for like the 11 sigma n over 1 3, you just multiply.
By using second property, you can see in the white box. See second property. If only if any number is there, then you will write upper limit into number. So what is upper limit? 11 and number is 3. So it will be 11 into 3.
Um,
See, I tell you in simple way. See, if n starts from 1 to n is equal to m, right?
yes,
And n is increasing or decreasing, right? It means your value is depend on n, right?
yes,
But here no n is there. Only 2 is there, right?
yeah,
So your answer will be 2 into upper limit. Upper limit is m. So you will get 2m. Okay.
okay. But then why did you add them? The other one.
For other one, okay. For other one, your value was depend on n actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Y-
So if there's an n at the end, you have to add them.
Yes, sir. If there is n, then you will add. You can use multiply also. Okay. So you will get what? 1, 2, 3, right? And so on. Up to m term, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the property actually. So now you can note this. You noted previous thing.
Can you go back to the other one, like the first one? Okay.
Okay. Write the properties of sigma notation. So first property is if sigma has two things, f of k and g of k, right? Then you can write f of
Wait,
k.
so those two formulas you showed me earlier, are those both for sum?
Okay. So write
Those
this
two,
because these properties are coming in between. That's why
no, no,
I,
I mean, are they sum?
okay. Which question?
No, no, no. You were showing me, right? Those two formulas.
Those two
Those
from.
formulas. Like sigma A equals NA.
Yeah, I'm writing again. Don't worry.
No, no, I'm saying, are those for sum?
Some on the base of these two formula.
Yeah. Are
Okay.
those
No, no, they are not some. They are actually property. Okay, wait. If plus or minus is there, you can separate them, right? This is first property. You can note down this. This is very important. If C is any constant, then C will be outside, right? If only C is there, nothing constant, then you will add N into C. So these three property are very important. For example, second question, n by 2 minus 9. Okay. So first of all, you will do what? First write this, note this. Notice. So first of all, split into two part. So which formula you will use? First one, right? Okay. And in second thing,
it's
what
N
will?
equal two? N equal two.
Oh, sorry, n over two. So you will use which part? Second formula. What is C? C is 1 over 2, right? Can you write n over 2 into 1 over 2?
Mm, oh,
N over 2 can also be written half into n, right?
yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now see, half is what? C. So C can be taken outside, right? And this is only C. Only C means n into C. And what is n? N is upper limit. Upper limit
Yes.
is 12, right?
Yes.
12 into 9. From where you get this? From third property. Now you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now you will see n starts from 1 to 12, right?
Yes.
Add all the number from 1 to 12, right?
Yes.
And then 9 into 12 is 108. Okay? 12 into 9 is what? 108.
Wait, why did you do one half?
1 half is outside of the all term.
I know, but why is it there then?
Why I take it outside?
Yeah.
By
No, I
you
mean, why is it there in the first place?
in the first place? Because it is constant and constant is always outside.
No, I mean, like, how did you get 1/2?
N by 2 can be written as half into n, right? And when you take sigma, this is A actually. So A is always outside. A means C. C is always outside, right? By using second property.
What?
Take constant always outside. And what is constant here? Half, right?
Where are you getting half?
Array, half can we get it from n by 2. N by 2, you already wrote n by 2 is our half into n. From here you are getting half.
Isn't that 6 though? Because you're supposed to use 12. Plug 12 in.
12 is actually upper limit. You will go from n is equal to 1 to 12. Half is constant. Half is always constant. Half can never be changed.
No, but isn't it 6? Because you do 12/2.
You cannot put directly 6. First you will put 1, then plus 2, then plus 3, then plus 4 up to 12. Okay? Because n is changing from 1 to 12. So you cannot put n is equal to 12 directly. Understood?
Where'd you get minus 108 from?
Minus 100, because this is what? A-
Minus 6.
Minus 9. Minus 9 is what? N into 9. N is 12, right? Yes. And add all these terms. How will you add? You can also use sum of AP. You know sum of AP? Arithmetic progression. N by 2 to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? So N is what? 12. A is first term. D is 1. 78. Okay?
Give me a sec. Okay, yeah.
If you want to add all this term using AP, or you can use manually. So whatever you want, you can do.
Hmm. Can you give me a practice question?
Yes, I give you. Noted this?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me the value of this?
Mhm.
Yes, tell me.
The 30.
Yes. Now,
Oh, what? I can't see your screen.
this is 3i actually.
Yeah.
My screen is not visible. Hello, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Now tell this.
Is it 3 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus 3 times 3 and then 1 per 10?
Yes. You can do this in two way. First way you will write 3 into 1, right? 3 into 2, 3 into 3, right?
Yeah.
Up to 3 into 10, right? Second method is 3 is taken outside. So basically you can see 3 is common, right? Up to 10. So from both you will get same thing,
Yeah.
isn't right?
Hmm.
What is the value of this?
The I over 3.
I over 3.
Is it 3
Mm-hmm.
parentheses 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10?
Why going to 10? Upper limit is 5.
Or 5 plus 5, sorry.
Yes. So this is 1 over 3, not 3. So I will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only this. Understood?
Okay.
It will be 15 over 3. 5 is the answer. Okay?
Okay. Can I order about? Mhm.
Hmm. Now tell this.
Can I go to? I'm gonna be back in like 2 minutes.
Yes, yes, yes. So what is the answer? You can write in two parts, right? Understood?
Yeah, so then it'd be 10 minus parentheses 1 times 2 to the power of 1, and then eventually it reaches 10.
Yeah. So first we will solve this part. So first part is I is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 to 10, right?
Hmm.
And then 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 to 2 raised to 10. Understood?
Wait, isn't it 10 minus that? How
Not
is it 1?
not put directly 10. It will goes from 1 to 10 because lower limit is 1, upper limit is 10. So you will go from 1 to 10.
How do you know when to multiply that and when to add it? Let's see.
Uh, where you multiplied? Only I is there. So put value of I. I is 1, 2, 3, 10. And here 2 raised to I is there. So I will be put in the power. Okay. And between these two series there is minus. That's why I put
Wait,
here.
wait. So it's that minus 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 1. Wait, what is that?
Uh, to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 is the value of this part. I write here separately. 2 raised to I. I is on power. So put the value of I is equal to 1. Up lower limit is 1. From 1 to 2, from 1 to 10, right?
Yeah.
This will be your answer. What is the value of this? This is 8. Huh? So what is the initial value of I?
Initial value I 8 or 1, 2, 2.
No, no, no. Initial value of I. Starting
Oh, I
value. 3. So first you will put I is equal to 3, right? Then 4, 5 up to what?
8.
8. So this is your final answer, right?
Yes.
And you can see 2 is common in all term.